Hi guys, I am Aditya from Patna, Bihar. From last 1 years, I am working as a software developer. Now today we talk about in this video only for the internship opportunity. ये वीडियो हम पूरी तरह से only internship opportunity के लिए ही बात करने वाले. There is no any full time something like that. This is only for the internship opportunity. And if any students wants to start career in IT sector, then obviously internship provides a very good option to start your career in IT. अगर आप IT में आना चाहते हो तो आपको इंटर्नशिप भी आपको एक सही ऑप्शन प्रोवाइड कराता है. ईजिली आपको इंटर्नशिप के तौर पे आपको भी कंपनी में जॉब मिल जाती है. सो गाइज इन दिस वीडियो टुडे आई डिस्कस हियर ओनली फॉर द इंटर्नशिप अपॉर्चुनिटी. So now the first one is companies this is the Cornerstone. In the corners, actually this is not the first company. Today I discuss 3 to 4 companies, guys. First is the Cornerstone. Second is the there is a one PwC company, and the third one is Oracle company. Just some days back we are also see in Oracle they are doing layoff approx 20 to 25,000 employees, but now they are hiring. So just you go and also fill this form. And the another one is, guys, this is the PwC, and the another company is this is Walmart. They are also provides internship opportunity. So just you wait here, guys, and see all the options. I just explain all the things. Just I want to add one more point, guys, here. If you come here for the first time on this channel, then can you please help me, because of in this channels I always try to make only career guidance and job hunting related to video. So help me, guys. And so now I forward in this video, guys, this is the first company, Cornerstone. And the job role, if I talk about the job role, guys, this is the junior engineer, interns or junior engineer. When I talk about the qualification is BE, BTech, ME, MTech, BCA, MCA, BSc. and जब हम एलिजिबल बैचेस की बात करें तो 23, 24, 25 and as well as 26. And the experience की बात करें तो obviously, guys, is internship, so there is no need to any experience. If you are a fresher, then you also apply this form. And this is the internship opportunity. And when I talk about where you apply this form, this is the another opportunity. I just show you, just wait, guys, where is the ChronoSense option, this. Yeah, I just show you, just go back. Maybe it will take some time, so I just go back. Just wait, guys, something here, it will take some time. Just see here, guys, this is a junior engineer intern. So just you come and here and you apply this form. When I click the apply now button, maybe it will take little bit time, and just you come here and apply this form, guys. And if you have a LinkedIn account, obviously you have also a LinkedIn account, because if you watch this video, then obviously you have LinkedIn account, definitely, I know. So just you along with your LinkedIn, you also apply. And if you don't want to apply with the LinkedIn, then just you fill your first name, last name, and give your email address, and go into the next option, and just you give here and do this and fill this form, guys. And the next, when I move forward to the next company, guys, just wait, I explain one more companies, guys, where it is there is a PwC company, guys. Just see, in the PwC companies, they are also hiring interns, trainee, and the salary 5 to 8 LPA, and the qualification is BCom, BBA, BE, BTech, MBA. So and the location here you see, guys, Gurugram, Kolkata and Mumbai. And this is the entry level. Just see here, this is the entry level job. So just you come here and apply this form. Just I show you where is the PwC. This is the company side, guys. So where is the opportunity, I show you. Just wait, allow me some time. This is the PwC trainee. So just you come here and you see all the job descriptions related to with this opportunity, and you come here and apply this form. This is the option they provide, autofill with resume. I apply manually. So जैसे आपको इच्छा हो वहाँ पे आके आप अप्लाई कर लो. So and the next opportunities, guys, Oracle is also hiring interns. So when I talk about the interns, what is the qualification and all for the Oracle. So just wait guys, I explain you all the things related to Oracles also. So where is the this is the Oracle company guys. Job role is like a student intern. Qualification is like BE, BTech, ME, MTech. Like you also observe BE, BTech, ME, MTech, all are common. These four are common in every company. So and the BBA, BCom, MBA, MCA, and the experience is like freshers. Batches is like 24, 25 and 20. अगर आपने अपना बैचेस 24, 25 के अंदर कंप्लीट करा है तो आप यहाँ पे इसको अप्लाई कर सकते हो. एंड व्हेन आई सी वेयर इज़ द जॉब लोकेशन, जॉब वेयर इट इज़, आई जस्ट शो यू गाइज. जस्ट वेट समथिंग. हाँ, दिस इज़ द प्रोजेक्ट इंटर्न. जस्ट सी हियर एंड यू कम हियर and simply just you come and apply this form. So you don't need to have any to create an account. Yes guys, like if you go any other career website, then first you have to create your account, then again log in and do all the things. But here there is no need to create any account and all the things. So just you give here your email address and fill this form. And the next one is like just I move forward. There is a one more company guys. This is like this is the very good company, Rolls, इस जिसकी गाड़ी आती है, आप लोगों को पता ही होगी. तो जब हम इसकी बात करते हैं तो इसकी अपॉर्चुनिटी क्या है, इसकी क्या क्या रिक्वायरमेंट्स है. जस्ट वेट, आई मेंशन हियर ऑल द थिंग्स बिकॉज टुडे आई डिसाइडेड, टुडे आई मेक ओनली इंटर्नशिप वीडियो. So I just wait guys, allow me some time. This is the company name guys, and this is like software testing interns, and the qualification is like BE, BTech, ME, MTech, BCA, MCA graduates, and the eligible batches is like 24, 25, 26 guys. So yeah, and experience is like freshers. Like this is a very good company guys, so that's why he is taking only 25 and 26 guys only. And the internship duration is like 6 months. And this is the internship, and where you got the this is the like where I just show you guys. This is the cornerstone, this is the Walmart, and this is the PwC, this is Oracle, and this is our Rolls Royce. So just you come and here apply this form guys. Like this is the opportunity for you. So if you come here and read all the description पढ़ लेना कि क्या है क्या नहीं है यहाँ पे. सो आप उसके बाद इसको अप्लाई कर देना. सो ये बहुत ही अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी है. And if I move next forward guys, like I think everything is done. Like Cornerstone I mentioned, and there is a one more company guys, Walmart is also hiring interns. Just you see here. So come and this is the no work experience and all the things. This they are hiring also like graduate interns. So just you go and अप्लाई दिस फॉर्म गाइस. ये सारा ऑब्वियसली अगर आप इंटर्नशिप करते हो तो आपको बहुत ही अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलता है आगे इन फ्यूचर में. अभी क्या होता है कि जैसा कि हम लोग भी करियर स्टार्ट किए थे तो पहले हम लोग को इंटर्नशिप ही कराया गया था. उसके बाद वो लोग डिसाइड करते हैं कि आपको क्या करना है क्या नहीं है. तो इंटर्नशिप करना एक बहुत ही अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी होता है गाइस. सो आई थिंक आई डिस्कस ऑल द कंपनीज रिलेटेड टू वीडियो हियर. I think in my opinion I discuss all the things. So this is the for today guys. मिलेंगे एक नया वीडियो में. गाइज इंटर्नशिप आप कर सकते हो, इंटर्नशिप के लिए अप्लाई करो. अगर आपको इंटर्नशिप अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है तो लिटरली ये एक बहुत ही अच्छा मतलब आपके लिए ऑप्शन होता है. तो गाइज सो नाउ वी मीट इन अनदर वीडियो गाइज. आई होप यू आर डूइंग वेल. सो थैंक यू.